Hello and welcome back to Niecy's Custom. I am back with a brand new videos and other fun things we can learn on my channel together. But first, I have to say thank you to my new subscribers and thank you to my old subscribers who was walking with me at the beginning of this channel when I first made it in 2018. Thank you so much for not leaving me. I had a long journey this past year, and I'm in this video I'm gonna tell you everything that I went through. But first, before we get started, today we're gonna be sublimating 12 keychains at a time. Yes, 12 keychains at a time, and I'm gonna show you the process how I do them. But go ahead and hit that thumbs up to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please, guys, leave me a comment. Please. But now, as you can see, I'm peeling off that protective cover that you get on most keychains and other stuff before you put the image on it. It's a protective cover on there, and I was using my fingernails at the time, but I decided to get my weaving tool, and it's much better by getting that instead of using your fingernails. But this journey this past year, as you know, I was taking care of my mother, doing things for my mother. Then I had a work from home job. I left my other job and I got a work from home job, but I had to quit that because my uncle passed last year, June. It makes a year. Matter of fact, this week made a year that my uncle had passed. And I stopped working to take care of his affairs. And I was going to go back to work, but my mother got sick. She was in the hospital for a couple of weeks, and she was put on dialysis. She was put on dialysis in August. Then the doctor told me, that her, in the condition that she was in, that her health was going to deteriorate. But I didn't want to believe that because, we serve a good God. A good God. He's a healer. But she was getting better. My mother was bedbound for, since 2012. My mother was in the bedbound for a long time. She never got up. She was always in the bed. We had to clean her in the bed. We had to do everything. But glory be to God. She finally got out of the bed this past September. September of last year, she got out of the bed. And she sat in a wheelchair for a while. Then, she was going back and forth to dialysis. And if anybody know how dialysis, is, that it can drain you. But she kept going. She kept thriving. She did everything because that's what she promised my uncle. My uncle who passed, that's her brother. And she did it. She did it. But, things started turning to everything started getting worse. She started developing sores on her legs, and it just never healed up. And my mother was in and out of the hospital multiple times since she started dialysis in August. But during Thanksgiving, she had a big sore on her leg that would not heal, and she got admitted in the hospital. And that's when I had to make that drastic decision. Me and my sister, because it's just me and my sister, we had to make that drastic decision to put my mother on hospice because they could not help her no more. And I prayed and I prayed and I asked God to heal my mother, but God decided it was time for her to come home. So my mother passed on December 1st of 2024. And my mother always believed in me that my business was going to take off, and my YouTube channel was going to pick back up and become a wonderful channel. She always said that. But I was going to quit. I was going to quit YouTube. I was going to delete all my videos because, losing a parent, especially your mom, it would take... I just cried and cried every day after she passed. And that's a hurting feeling. Oh my God, I'm getting teary in the eye now, but I got to keep it together because I'm doing this video. But I kept it together. It's just a hurting feeling, guys. It's just a hurting feeling, losing a parent. If anyone on my channel ever lost a parent, especially a mom, please leave it in the comment section, because I need all the support I can get. But I was going to quit my channel. I was going to quit doing all this right here because I wasn't feeling it. I was not feeling it. But my best friend, Danielle, she kept me grounded. And my YouTube best friend, who I met on YouTube, I'm sorry, guys, my son is out there blowing the concrete. I hope y'all don't hear that. But my YouTube friend my friend that I met on YouTube, Bernadette, she said, Niecy, you do a lot. I learned a lot on your channel because you explain it so easy and simple that you can't quit. So those two women, I love y'all to death. Dominique is my niece. She did too. But my best friend Danielle and Bernadette, and of course my sister, they told me to just keep going, because that's what my mama wanted. My mama would never want me to quit. So I'm back with some videos, and what I'm doing here, guys, sorry to get off the story, but what I'm doing here, guys, I'm lining up my keychain. And I know what y'all saying, why do she have the holes down at the bottom? Because when you show people your keychain, you want to show them the whole thing. You don't want to have that hole up to the top. So that's what I'm doing. And I got my ruler to line them up and make sure they're good. I'm sorry, guys, that my son is just blowing off the front of my step of my office, and he knows I'm in here doing a video. I don't even know why he came up here, just to get up under my skin. That's all. But yes, guys, my mother passed December 1st. I miss that lady, Miss Annie Bell. I miss her so much. But it's everything is going good now. As you can see, I'm back doing my videos, and I'm back doing my orders, and I have and I also changed my name. I prayed on it, and I also changed my name from Niecy's Customs to It's Custom. I don't know why I got that. I prayed on it. I asked God to send me a name that'll be catchy, and everybody want to be curious on how what I'm doing. And it came to me. He sent that to me. It's Custom, and I was rolling with it since January of this year. So if you see the name changed to It's Custom, it's Niecy's Customs. It's Niecy's Customs. It's me. Also, if anybody in here new to sublimation and want to get in depth with it, or want to get more information about sublimation, you can go to my website, itscustoms.com, and I have a ebook on there that will tell you everything about sublimation, what I learned, and what kind of printer and everything. And just for a small free, nothing to break the bank, just for a small fee that you can get it off my website. It's an ebook. So go ahead and check that out. And also, if y'all look, finish this video, I also have a free gift that everybody can download off my website as well. It's a PNG file of a design I did that I think everybody will like. So go ahead and check that out. And I will be back.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Oh, that's real good.
Now I am going to proceed on doing the other side of the keychain.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Okay, at this point I am putting my rings on my keychains, but I got so tired pressing that stuff down with my thumb. Don't judge my hand. My hand is always, it don't matter how much lotion or oil I put on my hand, this stuff will make your hand real dry. So right now I'm get my fabric cutter and I'm just like hitting them together.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.